In today's video, we're going to be looking at virtual desktops and how we can use those to be more productive on our computers. Further down the line, we will also be creating a virtual desktop video for macOS too, but for now, this is how to do one on Windows. Simply press the Control key, the Windows key, and the D key to create your new desktop. You'll notice nothing's open on this desktop as we've created it from new. However, if we press Control, Windows, and the left key to go back to our original desktop, you'll see all of my tabs and applications are still open from what I was looking at before. We can open more desktops if we need as well for different tasks. Say on this desktop I wanted to record something on Audacity, we can easily do that. And in order to close them, all we have to do is press Control key, Windows key, and F4. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on cloud solutions, IT support, Office 365, and many more services.